mathematicians. I'm at my house. We're at ground zero, which is our kitchen table and our dining room, and Gracie is helping me by videotaping our math lesson today. So good luck to us. So today I want to talk about 3 different kinds of lines. They're parallel lines. Parallel lines look like railroad tracks. They're the same distance apart all the time. They never run into each other, and they just go on forever and ever and ever, like in the video. Perpendicular lines are a little bit different. Perpendicular lines actually intersect or cross, but when they intersect or cross, they form those right angles, which is 90 degrees. Intersecting, it just means they cross. Sometimes they can cross and be very specifically perpendicular, forming the 90 degrees. Or they could just be like, they're gonna cross like, I don't know, like something like that. So parallel, perpendicular, and intersecting. Here, I've got a picture already, and this is line A, line B, line C. And something that I noticed is that line C and A intersect, but they're also perpendicular lines because it makes a 90-degree angle. C and B are also perpendicular because they make right angles. Make right angles 90 degrees. And then I can also say line A and line B are parallel. They're the same distance apart at all places, and they go on forever and ever. Looking at this, I've got lots of stuff. I've got line D, E, and F. And so things that I noticed, again, D and E, these two are parallel. And then I don't have any perpendicular lines because I don't see any right angles or things that look like L's, but I do see that F intersects or crosses over with line D, F and D, and then also F also intersects with E. I want to show you one thing. We've been talking about 100-degree angles. So this angle, this space plus this space equals, what did I say?
100.
I said 100, no, 180. This space plus this space equals 180 degrees, which is, does anyone remember, is a straight angle. Thank God Gracie's here. All right, I'm gonna go on to the other page that I wanted to talk to about. We're doing some drawing. I'm going to, on these 3, I'm gonna draw parallel lines, railroad tracks in the red. Did it. Then I'm going to do parallel. Yep. On these 2, I'm gonna do perpendicular. So I have to make it look like a right angle. I think this is the best way to do it. And then I can say, yeah, that's a right angle, 90 degrees. And this one, perpendicular, making it right, 90 degrees. Let's look down here, these 3, they want to measure an angle that's less than 90. So less than that L. This one right here is less than 90, and it's, if you remember, acute. An angle that measures more than 90, more than the L. There's the L, would have been there. So this right here is obtuse, more than 90. An angle that measures exactly 90, right over here. And I could even call this a right triangle. This is 90 degrees. And this one, we just did it over on the other side. Like a little like sun on the horizon, 180 degrees. The last thing I want to show, which I showed before, I'm going to measure one of these angles. I'm going to measure 2. If you see, I extended this. Here's my vertex, and I extended. I'm going to put my protractor my vertex on that little circle. I'm gonna line up my line and I'm gonna start counting all the way to that ray. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130. Halfway between 130 and 140 is 135. But let me put it, next step would be the thought, if this one is 135, what's this one? All of it is 180. So 180 minus this part, 135, is what? 0 minus 5, can't do. This becomes 7, this becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 3 tens is 4 tens. 100 minus 100. So this part is 45 degrees, because this part plus this part is the total part of 180. Today's assignment, it's on the doc, page 180, lines and designs, and then also another, it's a double-sided page, 181 and 182, thinking about lines. This is a video, so if I went too fast for you, you can replay it and watch it again. You can play it and pause it. Good luck, friends. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye.